Let's be honest, some of the biggest name in the talent visa space makes us the process sound so vague and confusing that it's almost impossible to know where you stand. Most of the information out there is just too generic. It holds no real value because it never shows you the actual mechanics of what's happening behind the scenes. That's exactly why we created this series. Welcome to episode 2 of the Approval Files. I am representing Jenny Green Card and we are pulling back the curtain. We don't just talk about extraordinary ability in the theory, we show you the real strategies and high-level technical reframing that actually gets people approved. Today's case study is about a senior consultant at EY with 10 years of experience in insurance tech. On paper, he had a strong salary and a great resume, meeting 2 EB-1A criteria at baseline. But here's the reality, he didn't have a case that USCIS would actually approve. His most impactful work was buried inside a giant corporate implementation and was completely underdocumented for immigration law. At Ginny, we didn't just check boxes, we reconstructed 10 years of complex work. And here's how we hit the 5 criteria. Critical role. We reframed him from senior consultant to the lead architect behind 14 major product launches for giants like AIG, Tokio Marine. We proved the business risk and financial impact dependent on his judgment. Original contribution, this is where we want. Instead of self-patent that sit idle, we proved his design for platforms like Duck Creek and Guidewire were actively being used by leading insurers across US and UK. High remuneration, we didn't just show a paycheck. We performed a niche-specific analysis proving his compensation reflected a scarcity of skill that the market values at the highest level. Judging and authorship, we positioned him as a judge of technical architecture and had him publish high-quality commentary on AI-driven automation rather than just fluff articles. The final outcome, 5 criteria met and a clean approval. This case proves a critical truth. You don't need to be famous, you need to be indecisible in a field that matters. This client wasn't just working in tech, he was shaping the global insurance infrastructure. If you're tired of vague advices and want to see how the process actually works, follow Jenny Green Card for more valuable information. And if you're ready to check your own eligibility, click the link in our bio for more info. Let's get you to the US. Jenny Green Card makes it happen.